Hello students, we are with our paper 2 content. Fourth topic, combinational logic circuits. In previous two sessions, you have learned the first two type of such circuit, multiplexers and demultiplexers in detail. In this session, we learn next sub-content of this chapter, encoders, in which we'll try to understand a concept of meaning of encoder circuits. Then we have the only one example in syllabus, decimal to BCD encoder. We'll draw the logic diagram by using OR gate, a part of construction of encoder. Then we'll see about its working with the help of truth table. And at the last, we'll see one type of IC available for this purpose, that is IC 74147, known as priority encoder. We'll try to understand the concept of this IC with the help of truth table. We shall begin with the first subcontent as meaning of encoders. What do you mean by encoder type of logic circuit? You'll find question always being asked on this. What are the encoders or what is the encoders? In that case, you must able to answer the question like this way. A logic circuit which has at the input of usual type of information. The information that we understand, such as decimal type of information or maybe any other form of text or audio information. Conversion of this information into binary codes. You have learned different types of codes. One of the code is BCD code, an example. So logic circuit which converts usual type of information into coded outputs is known as encoder, and we have only one example in our syllabus, that is decimal to BCD encoder. Beside this, you'll find many more types of encoders are available, such as decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, or other types of encoders, but we have only one as per our syllabus. We shall learn only that type of encoder in detail, decimal to BCD encoder. Very first, let me have a logic diagram for this type of encoder. But before that, let me have the review. What the truth table is quite well known to all of you. 10 decimal numbers and corresponding 10 binary coded of decimals, means BCDs. So this could be as an input for our circuit, decimal 0, 1 up to 9, and corresponding each of a digit, there will be the 4-bit binary coded decimal, means BCD, will be produced by this circuit as a part of its encoding or a coding. Let us see now how to construct a logic diagram for this operation, which has 10 number of decimal inputs and 4-bit binary output that represent BCD code for every decimal digit at the input we apply. So construction is of as shown in the figure. As I said, there are 10 number of decimal digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9, because these are the 10 decimal digits. We do select any one of decimal at the input by connecting that decimal input to the plus VCC or plus 5 volt connection. And for this purpose, there is use of a simple idea, a press button, or you may call as push button. A key after which we press, this whole line will be brought at level of VCC or 5 volt, means logic 1 level. So at a time, we can press any one switch one by one, and to bring either of decimal digit as an input for this logic diagram. If you observe diagram carefully, logic diagram contains 4 basic OR gates with different number of inputs. OR gate used whose output is a D, MS bit output, will have only 2 number of inputs, whereas the OR gate used at the second MS bit position contains 4 input. Third OR gate whose output B has 4 input, and the OR gate used at the place of LS bit output bit A contains 5 number of inputs that connected on these decimal input line. Now question left here, how we can connect the decimal input lines to these OR gate as a part of sake of understanding. See here, if you think about a truth table, a column wise, bit by bit, MS bit D, then second MS bit C, then third MS bit B, and the last towards the right, LSBth bit, you'll find binary bits 0 or 1 for each combination of decimal 0, 1, 2 up to 9. So let us start with the first column, LSBth column here A, output of OR gate A, for which this A becomes as a 1, this A becomes as a 1 if we have the A becomes as a 1, binary 1. When here at this place it is 1, then at this place it is 1, then at this place it is 1, then at this place this is 1. So you find for 10 input decimal digits, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times the A binary bit becomes high. When decimal input is, we have selected either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. So in between OR means what? You have to connect decimal number 1, decimal number 3, decimal number 5, decimal number 7, decimal number 9 at input. Here as shown in figure, for the connection a dot is placed. Dot represent the junction on the line decimal 1 input, then decimal 3 input, then decimal 5 input, then decimal 7 input, and finally decimal 9. All these are connected to the input of OR gate whose output is 1. Similarly, we can have the connection for second OR gate whose output B you want to be 1. This output B will be 1 as shown in the column here, B in the truth table. B becomes 1 if selection of decimal inputs are 2 or 3, 6 or 7. So if we select any one of 2 or 3 or 6 or 7, the B becomes equals to 1. Therefore, we have to connect decimal inputs 2, 3, 6 and 7. Here 2, 3, then 6 and 7 are brought at the input of this OR gate whose output can be 1 if we select any one of decimal input by connecting concerned switch to the logic 1 or on condition. Is this clear? Similarly, if you observe, the C output is obtained by third OR gate having 4 number of input. Again, if you observe how to connect decimal input for this OR gate whose output is C, the column C here in the truth table shows decimal binary bit 1 is appearing when decimal inputs we do select either 4, 5, 6 or 7. So corresponding this, C will become equals to 1. Therefore, you have to connect decimal line 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have to connect these as the input for the OR gate whose output is a C becomes 1 if one of the decimal is we have been selected at the input, and so on. In the last one, if you observe, D as the MSBth bit appears when we select the 10 number of decimal digits. You'll find here in the column of D, the D becomes as a logic 1 or high. If we select either 8 or 9, then only 1 appears in the last column of BCD output. So we have to just connect decimal number 8 and decimal number 9 at the input of a OR gate whose output is a D as a MSBth bit of BCD code. In this way, we can easily construct a truth table, from truth table, a logic diagram for the decimal to BCD encoder. If you observe now, the working of this circuit will be very easy. If we see the part of working, as I said, there are 10 number of decimal inputs 0 to 9 shown in the column as a decimal input column. Corresponding every digit we apply at the input, you will get the 4-bit BCD output as a conversion or a coding. Encoder, you may also call as a coder circuit, which convert the usual type of information that is known to us, such as decimal information, into BCD output, so to be called as decimal to BCD encoder. Let us understand one by one how this circuit will work. We'll take the one example first, as if we press the switch in the path of 0 bit, if this switch is closed, at a time we can apply any one of decimal input. So at present you have been applied 0 input applied for this circuit as a decimal input. Now on this 0th line, this line is at logic 1, right? This line is at logic 1, but on this line there is no connection of, though it is at logic 1 level, on this line there is no connection of this line to the any one of OR gate. So remaining inputs, 1 is 0, 2 is 0, 3 is 0, 4 is 0, up to 9, all decimal we haven't applied, they are in low or 0 condition. Only 0 applied. Therefore on this line none of the OR gate have the connections at their input. Whatever inputs are from other lines which are 0, therefore each OR gate will have the output 0, 0, 0 and 0. Thus, once we apply decimal 0 as an input, we get the BCD output as 0, 0, 0 as shown in the first row of the truth table. Have you followed this? You can take one more example for sake of simplicity. Suppose we apply a decimal 3. How can I apply this? Press the button in the path of decimal input number 3. This switch is closed. That means on this line connection is made to the VCC, means logic 1. So logic 1 level appear on this line of 3 number decimal input. Now if you observe, the connections are made here for the OR gate B and OR gate A from the decimal input 3. But for remaining 2 OR gate, there is no connection from this line. Therefore, their output remains at 0, 0. Now, in case of OR gate D having the input from 3, which is at logic 1, its output can be raised for logic 1. Similarly, the OR gate with output A, its one of the input is of decimal 3, which is at logic 1. Therefore, it also produces output at logic 1. Thus, in application of decimal 3 as an input, we will get the output in the OR gate as 0, 0, 1, 1. Thus, from the truth table, this row, when decimal 3 is applied, BCD code produced at output can be of 0, 0, 1, 1. Let us try one more example for more clarification. Suppose I apply the decimal 9 at the input. That means press a switch in the path of decimal 9. Therefore, this whole line is brought in the connection of VCC, means logic 1. Now on this line, there are two connections. One is for OR gate D. Second is for OR gate A. So therefore, their output will go for logic 1. At the same instant, remaining OR gate does not have the connection from decimal 9. They have the connection from other inputs, but they are in logic 0 level. Therefore, their output remains at logic 0, logic 0. Thus, by the last entry in the truth table, decimal 9 we apply at the input. Output is the 1001 as a BCD code of decimal 9. So, in this way, you can easily understand the working of decimal to BCD encoder by applying various input one by one. We'll find the corresponding BCD code is produced in the output. Is this clear? They'll go for the next content of this topic, that is, okay, you'll find in practical handbook or in some certain textbooks, the alternative diagram for the decimal to BCD encoder is of this kind. Decimal 1, decimal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the decimal inputs, and correspondingly we get the DCBA as the 4-bit BCD outputs. Now likewise previous circuit also here, from decimal number 9 we have the connection from to the input of OR gate with D output and OR gate with A output, so that we'll get the 1, 0, 0, 1. For decimal 8, 1, 0, 0, so only applied for OR gate with output D. For decimal 7, we want to get 0, 1, 1 as a BCD code. So no connection for OR gate D, but from 7, connection to the C, then B, then A, and so on. So you can remember either this diagram or maybe the previous diagram. Both are one and the same, which converts applied decimal inputs into equivalent BCD outputs. So theory exam point of view, you just remember either previous diagram or maybe this diagram. Any one is enough. Betterly, you should remember the previous one easy for the sake of understanding. We'll go now working of this circuit, working of decimal to BCD encoder. Let's see here how this circuit works as shown in both of previous two logic diagram. What we find, every diagram has 10 number of decimal inputs 0 to 9 applied through the push buttons or press switches, and there are the 4 OR gates whose outputs is the 4-bit BCD equivalent for applied decimal input is the part of working. Then if we connect decimal 0 for plus VCC means 5 volt logic 1 level, then as if it is not connected to the input of all 4 OR gates, therefore all 4 OR gate does not receive the logic 1 level from decimal input 0, therefore their output remains to be as a 0, therefore DCBA will be equals to 000 as the BCD code for decimal 0 applied at the input. Similarly, if you push the button in the path of decimal number 5, then you'll get BCD output for decimal 5 as 0101. That means OR gate with a D output will be of 0, then C output will be of 1, but the OR gate with the B output also 0, and finally OR gate with A output also comes 1. As a result, we'll get 0101 is the BCD code for decimal 5. Also, if we select decimal 7 by pressing the switch in the path of 7 number line in the diagram, at logic 1 it is forced. From that line, you have got the connection for 3 OR gate C, B and A. Only D does not have the connection, whose output will be of 0D only, but C, B, A will comes 1, 1. So 0111 is the BCD code for a decimal input number 7. In this way, we can test the all possible decimal input and corresponding equivalent BCD output as the working of decimal to BCD encoder. Working also can be verified or explained by using a truth table that we have already drawn for the sake of construction. But truth table you must explain here only as a part of working. This table shows that for every decimal input 0 to 9, 4-bit BCD code is produced by the decimal to BCD encoder. So this will be as a part of working. The circuit will work as a 4-bit BCD decimal to BCD encoder. If you follow this, it's very interesting one. Try to remember this working. Always you'll find the question being asked on this for the 4 marks. What are the encoders? Draw the logic diagram of BCD to decimal encoder and explain its working with the help of truth tables. Likewise question always being asked in all previous board exam for the 4 marks. So it's very easy to explain the working exam point of view. Even you'll find afterward this circuit is also used to perform the experiment, where in the practical you'll find one of the IC which contain this type of encoder, decimal to BCD encoder. That IC number is 74147. This IC is called as priority encoder. Now if you observe the functional pin diagram, not the actual pin diagram as for sake of convenience. That pin diagram contains 9 number of decimal inputs, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 up to x9. 10th will be as a 0 if none of the input we select automatically. IC assume that 0 is applied. Therefore, that extra 0 is not used at the input connection, but it has the 4 BCD output. Likewise, diagram we have drawn DCBA with the D as MS-bit bit and A as the LS-bit bit, 4-bit BCD output. Now, if you observe, both decimal inputs line as well as BCD output lines contains on their connections bubble in the path of the symbol of IC. What it means? These pins are active low. At the input, the pin will be select whatever input when that input is in ground connection or logic 0 level. Similarly, when the pin at output is activated, it will becomes low, logic 0, not 1. Inversion of 1, 0 get produced when the output is selected. So likewise, it will work. Let us see the working in brief. This IC has x1 to x9. as an active low decimal input and DCBA as an active low BCD outputs, right? Then if we select decimal input of our interest, suppose we select decimal input by connecting any one of it. Say I will select here now decimal number 2. You can select this by connecting it for the ground. Remember that as if this is the IC, beside the connection of input output, IC also has plus VCC connection and ground connections as well. Then and then only the IC will work. You'll find this detail in the actual practical you performing laboratory. So now suppose you select X2 as decimal input. X2 is at logic 0 or low level in the connection. At this instant, you'll find the BCD will produce binary coded decimal output. BCD code will be produced at the output such a way that DCBA, D, C, B and A, all they are active low because you'll find there is the bubble in the path of output. All these four will comes equals to for a 2 0 0 1 0 in active low, active high condition, it comes here 1 1 0 1 as the output. Let's see here how, because we want to be there 1, sorry 0 0 1 and 0 is required output, but here D will invert as a D bar since active low. So if D is to be want to be 0 as active high, D bar comes to be 1. Then C want to be 0 in active high, with inversion C bar comes to be 1. B want to be 1 with active high, B bar will goes for 0, and A want to be at 0, it comes to be as a 1. So in this way you'll get the BCD with inversion or negation for a decimal 2 with in this way of the output. So likewise you'll find the for every decimal, if I connect decimal number 7 for the ground, suppose 7 is selected, along with the biasing is always there, plus and ground. This is always there, ground and plus, because IC will work only when we apply the biasing. You'll find this content in detail while performing experiment. Now here, if 7 is being selected at logic low or 0, at that instant, remaining all are at open. Open means logic 1 in TTL way of construction. That means if we apply the 1 at input, either by keeping open connection or by connecting to the VCC, it will be deactive or disabled input. So input will be activated or enabled only when it is in the ground connection. That's why the bubbles are shown on the input line of this IC 74147. So when you apply decimal 7 at logic 0, means decimal 7 is selected. In that case, you'll get the BCD. In active high, you want to BCD as 0 1 1 1 BCD for decimal 7. But here in this IC, it comes D bar as a 1, C bar as a 0, B bar as a 0, A bar also 0. Inversion of this is the output. So in this way, the IC will convert every decimal input with inverted form, a type of BCD output. Now, a question left there, how can I apply the 0 input? Suppose at present all decimal inputs are open, right? No one is selected. It means automatically decimal 0 at the input will be selected as a X0. X0 will get selected automatically if none of the input applied. In that case, output BCD comes as 1 1 1 1, inversion of all 4 0, because D bar, C bar, B bar as the output, everyone becomes as a 1 with the inversion, but excuse me, in active high condition all becomes 0 0, but with inversion it becomes 1 1 1. Thus the IC will convert the 0 decimal into its BCD equivalent if from X1 to X9 no one is selected. Is this clear? Now one more important thing about this IC you'll find, as this IC has, you'll find this IC that in which it is to be called as priority encoder. Let's see why it is so called. It is called as priority encoder. if we apply, suppose more than 2 inputs, suppose if I apply decimal number here 7 as well as decimal number 8, if you connect the more than one input at a time, in that case, see, 6 is applied here at a logic 0, then 8 also applied here at a logic 0. So more than one decimal, 6 and 8 are selected. 6 and 8 are selected. Now, what will be the BCD code at the output? This IC has internal provision such a way that when do we select more number of decimal input, then the BCD code always produced for the higher decimal input. Here we have been used or selected here at a time decimal 6 and 8 at the input. Therefore, BCD will produce for a decimal digit 8 at the output. With inversion, it comes to be 0, 1, 1, 1. DCBA as 1000, but D bar comes 0, C bar comes 1, B bar comes 1, A bar comes 1 because bubbles in their path. So in this way, when do we select more number of decimal inputs? In that case, BCD code of the IC at the output always produced for the higher decimal input. Therefore, this IC is to be called as, this IC, as I said, is to be called as priority encoder. Why it is so? As we select more number of decimal input, the priority is given to the higher decimal number. Hence, it is known as priority encoder. The question always being asked in the practical oral during practical exam as well as in theory exam. This pin diagram will not be asked at any case, but maybe the MCQ being asked meaning of priority encoder, or on the meaning, suppose priority encoder has 3 decimal inputs applied, 7, 5 and 6. Suppose example 7, 5 and 6. What will be the BCD output? It will be 0, 111 in active high condition. But this IC produces active low output. Therefore, let us see here about this IC. If you observe, this IC contains, if you observe the truth table of this IC, at a glance, you have to verify this truth table in laboratory. Inputs are here 9, x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar. I place the bar because they activate when they are at logic 0. So whenever that input comes at 0, at that instant, BCD will produce corresponding it to the output. Again, BCD comes with inversion such as D bar, C bar, B bar and A bar, because on the output also you find the bubbles in the pin diagram of IC 74147. Let's see now, as we have discussed already the working, how this IC work as a encoder. Suppose for example, first you apply the input as this one. None of the input is at logic 1, 0. Selection is when that input is at logic 0. X1, X2, X3 up to X9, all are at logic 1, 1, 1. That means no one is selected. Therefore, IC select itself automatically decimal input number 0. Result of which it will produce the BCD code for the output DCBA as D equals to 1, C equals to 1, B equals to 1, no, D equals to 0 in active high, then C equals to 0 in active high, B equals to 0 in active high, A also comes 0 as a BCD, but since IC will use the inverted output, therefore you will get the inversion of 0, 0, 0 as 1, 1, 1 as a BCD code for decimal number 6 if 1 to 9 are not selected. Then if we select the decimal number x1 by connecting at ground, means eligible. Remaining higher input are at logic 1, means they are in deactive or disabled condition. Only x1 is being selected. So result of which BCD code for decimal 1 will be as 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1 will produce. But in case of active low condition, inversion as 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 as the actual BCD by the IC. So in this way, you can verify all the remaining decimal. Suppose if we apply a decimal input number, say 5, so decimal 5 is applied, which is placed at logic 0. At that instant, higher input are in disabled condition. That means X6, X7, X8, X9 are not selected, but lower one may be either 0 or 1, ignorable, because this IC gives priority for higher decimal input. Therefore, at present X5 is at 0. Therefore, BCD for decimal 5, as we know in conventionally, it comes as 0, 1, 0, 1. Its inversion will comes because D bar, C bar, B bar as output 1, 0, 1, 0 as output with inversion. So anyway, with active high, DCBA comes 0, 1, 0, 1. With active low, D bar, C bar, B bar, A comes with inversion as 1, 0, 1, 0 is the BCD code for decimal 6. So likewise, you can understand for all decimal input you apply corresponding BCD. For decimal 9, if you apply here, for example, 9. In that case, remaining all are ignorable. X means either 0 or 1. 0 or 1. Then BCD for 9 in active high condition is 1,000. 1,000. But here with inversion, D bar comes inversion of 1, 0. 0 inversion will be of 1. Inversion of 0 again 1. Inversion of 0 again 1. So in active low, it comes 0, 111 as output. BCD for decimal 9. Now an interesting one here to justify this IC is called as priority encoder. Why it is so? Because here, as in the last one more observations, I have been selected decimal 7 and 8 both connecting at logic 0. Higher one is in deactive, 9 is not in selection, but 7 and 8 both made as a 0, 0. So what will be the BCD? As per the function of the IC, the feature enclosed in the IC always give the preference for higher decimal input to bring the BCD at outputs. So it is here, though the 7 and 8 both are selected, BCD comes for decimal 8. In the active high condition, it is 1, 0, 0, and again 0 is the BCD code for decimal 0, decimal 8. So this BCD code here for decimal 8 in active high, it is as 1001. But in active low condition with inversion, it becomes as 00111 because D bar 0, C bar 1, D bar 1, A bar will comes as 1. So in this way, this IC will work as an encoder. This truth table will get verified actually in laboratory while performing experiment on this practical. So this is in brief about the type of encoder. Let us see now the next new content in our next session, that is other types of remaining one last type of combinational logic circuit are known as decoders in brief with the help of their examples or their practical working by using logic diagram in our next session that we learn.